Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can install Prime Video in your favorite Macintosh operating system, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to create and install the latest version of Prime Video on your Mac machine easily. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now we need to open Automator. For that, press Command plus space and write Automator in the search bar and hit return. It will launch Automator. Click File and select Application. Then click on Choose button. Now in the search bar, type get specified URLs and drag this to the workspace. We need to change this address to our copied Prime Video URL. Simply right click on it and select paste. Clear this and search for display web pages. Drag this to the workspace. Now we need one last script. Clear it again and search for Run Apple script. And again drag this to the workspace. We need to change this script. Let me open pre-built script for you. Copy this script. I have provided this script in the video description. And then select all and paste the whole script here. Well done. Now click on File and select Export. Type Prime Video. Choose your preferred directory. I am selecting desktop here. And finally click on Save button. As you can see, we have here Prime Video application, but it doesn't look like a Prime Video. To fix this, we can add a Prime Video logo. For that, copy this logo URL and open your favorite browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit return. This is the latest official logo image. Right click on this and select copy image. Now let me minimize the browser. Select newly made Prime Video app and right click on it and select get info. Click on this icon and press Command plus V to paste the Prime Video logo. Now we can close this. Congratulations, we have successfully made our own Prime Video app. Now I strongly recommend you to add this to your Docker. For that, simply drag this app to your Docker. Now let's launch Prime Video. For the first time, a pop-up will appear asking you to allow system events. Click on OK button. It will launch Prime Video in full screen mode. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Prime Video on your Mac machine. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to download and install applications on your Mac easily. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.